Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today we will review another store that is andsuperme.com. So if you are curious to know about this store, stay tuned with us. Watch the video till the end, and by the end you will be able to know either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's begin with the details of this. andsuperme.com is an online portal that provides custom products and is also a professional supplier in daily customer consumption and wet products. Moreover, this is an online store that aims to build the interest and passion of every person by providing unique products and environmental concern in the UK or United Kingdom. So, with the help of andsuperme.com, person can collect any product related to their profession, hobbies, sports, clothing, and any other trending accessories. So let's check out the products which they are selling. They are selling clothing, sandals, sneakers, athletic wears, and the website was registered on 12th May 2021, and it will be registered till 12th June 2020. And the interest rate, as per our expert, this website has trust rank is 1.0 out of 100, and they have no social media presence available, and the trust index valuation is 1.01%. Moreover, they have not mentioned their website official address. So moreover, they are offering you 35 to 75% discount, a huge discount. So let's check out the benefits of buying from andsuperme.com. No doubt this website is HTTPS protocol certified, and it linked to many countries which give relief of connectivity. Moreover, they have an email address and social connecting sites mentioned. The website gives proper detail to their products and good qualities of the picture, and the content in the online portal is not found under any e-fake engine or scam algorithm. But the negative points of andsuperme is that the domain is recently created within 6 months, and SL certificate is missing, which leads to threat of scam and negative impact. Moreover, the site has very poor trust rating and trust index. Moreover, the reviews on the website are not visible, and the details of mail contact and address are missing, which shows the short life period of the domain. So question is still there, is andsuperme is legit? So according to whois.com, certain identification errors and security protocol threats are being visualized in this online portal. The social media accounts and the customer review and transparency are some of the factors which create the doubting nature of this sort, like live spam online shopping store. As customer reviews are concerned, with the lack of molarity of the website, all the visitor can check out the website product, but we cannot find any customer review. Like the visitor have questioned the customer service, IP address, and the technology or products they are supplying. So in our final verdict, we can say that similar website provide fake information and copy description of the high risk product at visiting, and I'm not sure about its security measures. So, according to our expert, we recommend to you to self-visit the website before investing in buying any product. One must not write to the personal information and bank details, as these websites can run illegal activity behind the curtain. So, before buying, doing any your buying activity, do your research and take a wise decision for your shopping experience.